Hello and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you've not been here before. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today is day 3, look 3 I believe, and we're using this I Heart Revolution Lemon Drizzle. Yeah, I just had to check it was definitely day 3. I just had to look at the other palettes I've been using because last week I got really confused saying it was day such a thing and it wasn't. So yeah, it's definitely day 3, look 3. The reason I got confused is because I've done a collaboration this month and I took a day off. Well, I took more than a day off, there's been a couple of days off. So the Shop My Stash will be going up a little bit later. But yeah, we're using the Lemon Drizzle palette. It's really beautiful. I've not used this in a hot second. It just looks like this. I haven't thought about what shades I want to put on the eyes. I love these yellows, absolutely adore them, and I've never used this all over the lid and into the crease, so I'm kind of wanting to do something a little bit wacky and maybe put in like either fluffy on the centre or tangy on the centre, one of those yellows, and maybe buffing it out with lemon slice. I don't know how it's going to go, but first of all, before we even get into that, I think I'm going to go in with this sugar just to set my base. I've got the NYX white base on that I've always got. It's no different. I just want to use it up before I bring a new primer into the collection. Okay, so that's that. So now then, what I need to think about is, do I want to use citrus? Am I brave enough to use a bright orange everywhere? Because this shade is electric. It's like a neon orange, but I've never actually done it before. So at the end of the day, if it doesn't look right, we can take it off and start from scratch. Look at how bright it is. Just tapping some off like that's going to make a difference. Oh, it's quite sheer when it goes on the eye though. So we probably have to build it up a little bit. So I'm just going to put it all over the eyelid and then we're going to go into the crease with it. And it's probably gone on a lot sheerer just because I'm using this blending brush rather than an actual packing brush. Looks red, doesn't it? And I cannot stand red eyeshadow. It's not that I can't stand it, it's I'm terrified of it. I hope this doesn't make me look like I've got pink eye. I'm just kind of blending it out now in the crease. Leave that like that for a minute and do the other side. I mean, I won't take it off if I don't like it, I'll just keep it on. I just wanted to show you just how bright it is. And we're probably going to have to put this shade onto the lash line as well. Damn camera just keeps cutting out. Okay, so I want to get a different blending brush now just to put that yellow shade down. Let me go and find one. Sorry for the sniffles, guys. Absolutely full of it. Don't think it's a cold, I just think I'm full of the sniffles. Right, so I don't know which one to go in with, fluffy or tangy. So let's do a couple of swatches. They're very, very similar, aren't they? That one's fluffy. That one's not gone on properly because I think it had some orange. You really can't see a difference. I think that one's a little bit more bronzy, whereas that one's gold. Let's go in with the fluffy shade. And I think we'll definitely need to spritz the brush. So just in the centre. And then I'm going to spritz it. Okay, there's just a tiny amount left in this. I don't know if there'll be enough. It seems to be a little amount. Seems to be like a setting spray that lasts forever. I mean, I'm not complaining, but now I don't need to last it forever. Now I don't need it to last forever because I've gone out and got some. Oh yeah, that's so much better. A lot of people do this step first, but I like to see just how pigmented eyeshadows are. I mean, some eyeshadows in my collection don't need setting spray on them, but I found with Revolution ones, practically all of them do. Right, let me go on my finger as well, just to smooth it out a little bit. And I've not zoomed you in at all in this video. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm absolutely loving it. It's just a shame it's not summer, like spring, summer, because this to me screams spring and summer. But yeah, I really, really like that. Right, so now what I need to be doing is just going in. I've not even told you the shades. Yeah, I did. I'm the type of person that gets in the moment and I forget to do things, like I forget to tell you what brushes I'm using, what shades they are sometimes. This brush, by the way, is kind of a dupe for the Revolution Metals collection that they brought out. It's just a normal, like, it's just one from eBay. So I'm going back in with Sugar, this one, just on the brow bone. Just kind of gone over that yellow a bit. I need a thinner blending brush, I think. Right, so this Spectrum one might work, the one that I got in the glossy box a couple of months ago. Just to put that yellow back on, the Lemon Slice. Yeah, I shouldn't have put that Sugar shade back on. I'm just gonna go back in with this Lemon Slice shade. Okay, that'll do. And then I'm gonna go in with Citrus. So it's that really, really bright orange. And then we'll put that on the lash line. Oh, this brush, by the way, is BH Cosmetics 107. It's just a wing eyeliner brush. I'm not sure what I'm going to use for inner corner highlight. And then I need to get this brush for inner corner highlight, even though I don't know what I'm using. Okay, none of them really, because them two yellows are just too much of the same, so I don't really want to be using any of those. Let's see, I've got something in one of my other palettes. Okay, so this is another palette for this week. It's the BH Cosmetics Shan XO The Remix. And this one has got 18 eyeshadows in, whereas the original one had 9 eyeshadows and 9 lip shades. So it's got all the original eyeshadows, which look like that. And then it's got her new ones, which look like this. So we could either use that one, Island Glow, and I think there's one in the original side. Yeah, let's use Holy Grail. This one here is lighter. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now we're going to tightline with the Too Faced Love Eyeliner in Perfect Black. Or as best we can, because they're really watery. Oh. And then I'm going to go in with, I don't know how much you saw of that, but I've only tightlined with the Too Faced Love eyeliner, and now we're going in with the Primark 3D Lash Effect Mascara. Just want to use as much of this up before it dries out. I lost it for a couple of weeks. And I don't need to use it, because I got that one from Essence, which I think is better than this one, in all honesty, but I do like this one as well. Right, and then we just need to put some lippy on. Right, so Pretty Random chose my lipsticks for the week, and it chose 5, and it chose more reds, and obviously this is quite a bold, dramatic look, so the only neutral I've got that Pretty Random chose for me was this NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. So we're going to put that on. It's just a very neutral brown with a peach undertone. See, NYX corset has a peach undertone as well, and it's very nude, but this one is a little bit darker. I don't think there's much left in that. I think I'll be going in empties once. I might pull the stopper out actually. Yeah, we'll pull the stopper out. I don't normally do this in these lipsticks, but yeah, we'll pull the stopper out probably this week. Yeah, I really like this lipstick. I didn't like the NYX Lingerie Corset shade because it's a bit lighter and a bit more paler on me, but this one is about the right side of this one is on the right side of nude that I like my lipstick to be. So I'm going to come closer now. In fact, I might just zoom you in so you can see the overall look. Yeah, so that is the look, guys. I really like how it's turned out. It's a little bit scared in the beginning, if you hadn't noticed. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad, I don't think. We only use like 3 eyeshadows. So yeah, it's a quick and simple look. We only use 3 eyeshadows, so it's a really simple look to do. So yeah, this concludes the video here, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got this palette, let me know your thoughts on it. I would really appreciate that. Please like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. That would mean the absolute world to me. Please share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.